Vietnamese girl, nagsalita sa balitang nagkaroon ng affair kay Daniel Padilla. Umalma at binasag na ang katahimikan ng isang babaeng Vietnamese na iniuugnay sa aktor na si Daniel Padilla. Sa kanyang social media account, mariing pinabulaan na ni Min Pong, aka Emma, na isang Vietnamese, ang anumang romantic involvement kay Daniel. Nagbahagi rin ng mga screenshots at messages si aka Emma galing sa mga fans ni umano na nag-aakusa sa kanya na siya umano ang third party sa hiwalayang Daniel at Catherine Bernardo. Klinaro ni aka Emma na na-meet niya lamang si Daniel nang bumisita ito sa bar na pag-aari ng kanyang kapatid. Nakiusap din si aka Emma sa mga fans na maging sibilisado at magalang at idiniin na ang kanilang mga mensahe ay nakakaapekto sa kanyang buhay, sa kanyang trabaho at sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Ayon pa kay aka Emma, wala siyang ideya kung sino nagmamay-ari ng isang username na nagla-like sa kanyang mga post sa social media na ayon di umano sa mga fans ay pagmamay-ari ni Daniel. Hello, my name is Min Pong, Emma. Since last year, I have received a lot of messages from fans and supporters of Daniel Padilla, a famous actor in the Philippines. It is known that Daniel visited Vietnam last year with his friends. Prior to his visit in my country, I have never met him. My brother owns the bar that Daniel went to. My brother told me that Daniel is there and I can say hi to him because I know he is a famous actor. I saw Daniel and his friends in the bar, exchanged a few words, and then I went back home with my sister. That is the end of my interaction with him. I know you guys love and appreciate your idol. I also feel the same to the artists I support, but please be civilized and polite. Please be a cultured person. You guys have threatened my life and my job, sent messages and spam my family and friends. This is something I would not wish to happen to anyone. A lot of you guys think that I am someone important, but I want to ask the question. Are you accusing me with no proof and all speculations? To be clear, I do not know who Johnny Moonlights is, and I do not care who he is either. I am a common Vietnamese citizen. I work, hang out with my friends, meet people, and live my life normally. I hope you maintain dignity and respect when coming to my social media, and please do not act without thinking. Samantala, wala namang opisyal na pahayag si Daniel sa usaping ito. Maaalalang noong November 2023, kinumpirma ni Daniel at Catherine ang hiwalayan. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.